Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Craft Collection Ideas. So guys, today I am sharing some beautiful and creative button art craft ideas. These amazing designs prove that even a small and old button can become wonderful pieces of art. Many of us have extra buttons at home from old shirts, jeans, jackets, bags or sewing boxes. Most of the time we keep them unused or throw them away, but with a little imagination these waste buttons can be turned into colorful and attractive decoration. Button art is one of the easiest and most creative recycling craft. You can make flower, animal, bird, trees, hearts, coffee mugs, Christmas decorations, wall frames and many more unique designs. Every button has its own size, shape and color, and together they create beautiful artwork. The best thing about button art is that you don't need expensive material, just collect old buttons, a canvas or cardboard, glue and your creativity. Simple materials can become something beautiful for your home. These craft ideas are perfect for home decoration. You can decorate your bedroom, living room, study room, office desk or even gift your handmade artwork to your friend and family. Handmade gifts always feel more special because they are made with love and creativity. Button art is also a wonderful activity for children and beginners. It helps improve creativity, patience, focus and color matching skills. It is fun, relaxed and easy to learn. Every design you see in this video is different. Some are simple, while others are more detailed. You can use these ideas as inspiration and create your own unique artwork by changing the color, shape and patterns. Recycling is not only about saving money, it is also about protecting our environment. When we reused old materials like button, instead of throwing them away, we reused waste and gave useful thing a second life. Small creative designs ideas can make a big difference. A handful of old buttons can become a beautiful wall decoration that everyone will admire. This channel is created for learning and inspiration. The purpose of this video is to share creative ideas and encourage everyone to try handmade craft using recycled materials. I hope these button arts ideas inspire you to create something beautiful with the thing you already have at home. So guys, many people have old buttons at home that are no longer used. Instead of throwing them away, you can recycle them into colorful and creative artwork. A simple button may look small, but together they can create something truly beautiful. Button art is a fun and creative way to express your imagination. Different sizes, colors and shapes of button can be arranged to create beautiful designs. Every artwork looks unique because every collection of button is different. These ideas are perfect for decorating your home. You can make beautiful wall artwork for your living room, bedroom, kids room, study room or office. We can reuse simple things and turn into them something beautiful and useful. Small creative ideas like these also help us care for our environment. As you watch this video, I hope you discover new ideas and feel inspiration to create your own button artwork at home. You can try different colors, a different theme and different shape to make your artwork completely unique. This channel is made for learning and inspiration. The purpose of this video is to share creative ideas that encourage people who reuse everyday materials in beautiful and meaningful way. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like.